big news coming in. The black box of Air India Kerala's Kozhikode crash has now been recovered, and it's been taken to the DGCA office. In fact, the plane that crashed on the 7th of August has now been, the black box from the plane has been recovered. It's now been brought to Delhi, kept at the Director General's office of the DGCA. In fact, it's now placed at the lab of the DGCA office. Arun Kumar, Director General of the DGCA, has said that soon they will have all transcripts from recovered black boxes. He further added that he's also going to talk to Boeing to examine the aircraft's original equipment and check for defects. Let's quickly cut across to Shalini Lobo joining us for more on this. Shalini, black box, which is so important to find out what really went wrong during the last few minutes of the landing of the plane. The black box has been retrieved. It's taken to Delhi now. It's at the DGCA office. They're going to be scrutinizing it to see if there has been any error that occurred last minute. What more do we know with regards to investigating into what really went behind the air crash?
Well, Nabila, yesterday, during the whole day, and even today, there is a team of officials at the spot investigating what exactly went wrong. They have been looking through the debris, they've been sifting through the debris, they've been studying the various parts of the plane, the engine, the belly of the plane. The black box has been recovered. It was sent off to Delhi. It is currently at the DGCA office, as you said, and they're going to be retrieving data from the black box to piece together what exactly happened, what was the last final moments on this plane. But speaking to the passengers who survived to narrate their ordeal, they told us that the landing announcement was made. The plane did land at that particular point in time, but immediately took off. Within the next 3 seconds, the lights went off, everything was blank for them, and then they found themselves with luggage flying around. They found themselves amidst people crying, people getting hurt, and then they were they fell down that 35 feet gorge, and the aircraft then broke into two. So a lot of passengers who survived to narrate their ordeal had the same narrative. It was this that they told us. Now the black box has been retrieved. It's been sent to the DGCA office in Delhi. They'll be analyzing it in their labs. They will be retrieving the data. And of course, Mr. Kumar, the Director General, has also said that since it's an international airport, right, India is open to having some kind of aid from various international agencies as well, who could probably tell what exactly is it that went wrong. Also, they're going to be studying the equipment, they're going to be studying the aircraft, the debris, to see if there was any defect at that particular point in time in the crash.
It's very crucial. The black box there, the transcripts will be interpreted, will be thoroughly scrutinized to see if there has been any discrepancy even in the last minute. It appears that close to 1,000 meters off the runway that the plane offshot, was it due to poor visibility, due to poor navigation, due to poor coordination with the air traffic control? All of these details will be, in fact, retrieved. And more importantly, the way the plane maneuvered before it landed and what happened right during the last few minutes. The black box is crucial to tell us all of that and more. Thank you very much, Shalini Lobo, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.